What is up, people? Hopefully everyone is staying extremely safe in these super volatile markets. I know as an active day trader, you gotta love this action. There's so much opportunity to make money, whether that's on the upside or on the downside. So my name is Brian Rivera. I'm the managing partner of Trader Tax CPA. And so we provide tax compliance and preparation services to active day traders all across the US. So recently, a subscriber actually brought this to my attention, and it's been a recurring question that I have been receiving. And that question is, can I deduct my stock locate fees? So that's actually an amazing question, and I'm gonna address that in this video. So if you are a small cap short seller, this video is specifically for you. So if you don't know what short selling is the process of borrowing a stock at a higher price and then buying it back at a lower price. So you essentially make the difference between what you sold it at and what you bought it back at. It's the exact opposite of going long. So when you go long, you buy low and you sell high. And so the market is designed to go up, but for some of these small cap companies, that's not always the case. So a small cap company is defined as any stock with a market capitalization between 300 million to about $2 billion. So don't take that for face value. Obviously look that up on Google, but I believe that's essentially what a small cap stock is defined as. So a lot of these retail brokerage firms like an E-Trade or a Schwab or a Fidelity, they typically don't have shares to short of a lot of these thinly capitalized stocks. And so what active day traders do is they go to a direct market access broker who then goes out and searches for these shares to short, so that way you can participate on the downside on some of these thinly capitalized stocks. But to do that, there is a fee associated with that. And so what happens is traders will then request that their broker find the shares, and then they pay a fee to use those shares for that trading day. So for example, let's just say you borrowed 1,000 shares every single day at an average price of 3 cents. So there's 352 market days times basically $30 a day. You're looking at about $7,500 to $8,000 in borrow fees. So if you're set up as an active day trader, you can then deduct this cost on your tax return because you have business expense treatment. So for the definition of an active day trader, we do have some content on our website, some blog content that define what an active day trader is. And so basically, if you do qualify as an active day trader, then you get business expense treatment and you can deduct all of your expenses. So we see a lot of tax return data across the US, traders all over the US. And the average business expense fee that we see being deducted is somewhere around $7,000 to $14,000. Somewhere in that range is about average. For small cap short sellers, that cost is significantly higher. I've seen situations where, maybe some larger traders where they're deducting high six figures in borrow costs just because that is a big proponent of their strategy. And so in order for them to make money, they have to borrow these shares. So when you are preparing your tax returns and you are a small cap short seller, it is almost imperative that you figure out how to write these costs off. And that is through qualification as an active day trader. Now, if you don't qualify as an active day trader, you automatically fall into investor status. So there are situations where investors can deduct their stock locate fees. And how that is done is it's through Schedule A. So you have to qualify as to itemize your deductions. And then this will then flow through other miscellaneous deductions. Now, there is a threshold that needs to be met, so it's not automatic, but there is a way to do it. But in my personal opinion, if you want to be an active day trader, or if you strive to be an active day trader and you are short selling small cap stocks, you want to make sure that you are deducting this cost because that is a benefit to you and it's the cost of doing business. So if you found this video helpful and you like the content that we're putting out, feel free to give us a like and subscribe. So my name is Brian, and obviously I'm the managing partner of Trader Tax CPA. If you have other videos that you want us to make, feel free to drop a comment below and we will definitely take a look at that and look to produce future videos for the trading community. So as always, trade safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.